2016 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, dual moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.